The landscape of cyber threats is evolving rapidly, with AI playing an increasingly significant role in both offense and defense. By leveraging AI enabled tools, it could automate security related tasks, including monitoring, analysis, patching, prevention, and remediation. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Defending cyber attacks with 99.9% protection is an ambitious goal, especially as cyber threats evolve with the increasing sophistication of AI powered attacks. However, at the same time, experts believe that AI has revolutionized like the .com era. AI is being hyped by the companies as number one, unrealistic valuation. Many AI companies are currently valued at astronomical figures, often without concrete revenue streams or profitability. Number two, investor euphoria. The excitement surrounding AI has led to irrational exuberance, with investors pouring money into any company with an AI tag. Number three, focus on hype over fundamentals. The emphasis on AI potential has overshadowed traditional financial metrics, leading to overinflated stock prices. Today, AI generated deepfakes can create realistic audio, video, or image content that impersonates individuals or manipulates information. These can be used for social engineering attacks, disinformation campaigns, or fraudulent transactions. To mitigate the issue, it is time to implement advanced AI based deepfake detection systems that analyze inconsistencies in audio, video, and image files. Training employees to recognize and verify communications, especially those involving sensitive information, is also crucial. The threat is AI algorithms can generate highly personalized phishing emails or messages that are difficult to distinguish from legitimate communication. These attacks are more effective because they are tailored to individual targets. Moving forward, achieving 99.9% protection against cyber attacks in an AI driven world requires a multi layered approach that combines cutting edge AI technologies with robust security practices. By staying ahead of AI powered threats and leveraging AI for defense, organizations can significantly reduce their risk and enhance their overall security postures. Let's look into today's headlines. New Delhi residents soon to receive traffic challans via WhatsApp. New Delhi residents will soon receive traffic challans on WhatsApp as the city's traffic police department is putting a system of artificial intelligence enabled automatic number plate recognition cameras soon. The cameras would fetch information on traffic violation and will issue challans through SMS and WhatsApp without human interface. HCL Software to take over Xenia for 24 million euros. HCL Software has announced its plans to take over France-based software firm Xenia SAS at a valuation of 24 million euros. Its acquisition will enable HCL Software to offer a unified data intelligence solution that will power enterprises to discover, govern, connect, manage, and better leverage data in their data engineering and Gen AI journeys. The all cash deal is expected to close in September 2024. Apple will continue to use Google as Safari's default search engine. Google will continue to be the standard search engine for Apple's Safari browser. Eddie Q, Senior VP of Services at Apple, stated that Microsoft would not be able to force the iPhone manufacturer to change to Bing as the default search engine. Although Apple consumers have the ability to change the default search engines on their iOS devices at any moment, the tech giant claims that it does not currently have any intentions to modify the default. Nama Yatri introduces zero commission taxi service in Delhi NCR. Nama Yatri's parent company Moving Tech is offering lifetime zero commission taxi rides in Delhi NCR under the brand Yatri. The company had run a successful pilot with autos before launching the cab service. Yatri and its app family, which includes Nama Yatri, run on a zero commission, community first business model. In addition to giving drivers more income, it offers Delhi NCR residents quick and responsibly priced travel. For the first time, the Indian wearable market drops by 10%. According to International Data Corporation, that is IDC, the wearable device market in India fell for the first time ever, down 10% year over year to 29.5 million units. In the first half of 2024, shipments of 55.1 million units fell by 4.7%. The main causes of this reduction were fewer new releases and cautious inventory stocking by the sellers, with an emphasis on getting rid of the old stock before the holiday season starts. Today, War India has completed 25 years of its accomplishments. Each milestone we achieve is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and commitment to our valued customers that drive us to constantly evolve, ensuring that we not only meet your expectations but exceed them. Let's celebrate this 25 years milestone together. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.